Good day, sir. Today I will discuss the theories and principles in the use and design of technology-driven lessons. Teachers are required to make an effective lesson plan to ensure the achievement of learning outcomes. With this, it will engage learners to perform expected standards that would enhance their knowledge and skills. So in designing a lesson with the integration of technology, it is crucial to observe a framework that can act as a guide in its formulation. Two frameworks I chose are the Dale's Cone of Experience and Bloom's Digital Taxonomy. Now, let me first discuss Edgar Dale Cone of Experience. Edgar Dale proposed an idea in 1946 called Dale's Cone of Experience. It is a visual model that is composed of 11 stages starting from concrete experiences at the bottom of the cone. Then it becomes more and more abstract as it reaches the peak of the cone. According to Dale, the arrangement in the cone is not based on its difficulty, but rather based on abstraction and on the number of senses involved. Dale integrated Jerome Bruner's three modes of learning into the cone by categorizing learning experiences into three models: inactive or learning by doing, iconic or learning through observation, and symbolic or learning through abstraction. In moving toward the pinnacle of the cone from direct, purposeful experiences to verbal symbols, the degree of abstraction gradually increases. As a result, learners become spectators rather than participants. The bottom of the cone represented purposeful experience that is seen, handled, tasted, touched, felt, and smelled. By contrast, at the top of the cone, verbal symbols and messages are highly abstract. They do not have physical resemblance to the objects or ideas. Now let's go to Bloom's Digital Taxonomy. Creating authentic learning experiences for students is an essential element in online course delivery. The need to provide instructors with innovative ways of integrating technology that encourage higher order thinking skills. Practitioners within the field of education have thought of unique ways to connect digital tools with the framework of Bloom's revised taxonomy, which has led to the emergence of Bloom's Digital Taxonomy. The purpose of Bloom's Digital Taxonomy is to inform instructors of how to use technology and digital tools to facilitate student learning experiences and outcomes. It aims to expand upon the skills associated with each level as technology becomes a more ingrained essential part of learning. The use of this adapted version and example of tools it provides focus should not be on the tools themselves, but rather on how the tools can act as vehicles for transforming students' thinking of different levels. Here are the outline of the levels featured within Bloom's revised taxonomy. Each level is accompanied by a description of its relevance and examples of digital tools that connect with this taxonomy framework. First is creating, to produce new or original work. Tools to be used are animating, blogging, filming, podcasting, publishing, simulating, wiki building, video blogging, programming, and directing. Second, evaluating, to justify a stand or decision. Tools to be used are grading, networking, rating, testing, reflecting, reviewing, blog commenting, posting, and moderating. Third, analyzing to draw connections among ideas, concepts, or determining how each part interrelate to an overall structure or purpose. Tools to be used are mashing, mind mapping, surveying, linking, and validating. Applying, to use information in new situations such as models, diagrams, or presentations. Tools to be used are calculating, charting, editing, hacking, presenting, uploading, operating, and sharing with the group. Understanding, to explain ideas, concepts, or construct a meaning from written material or graphics. Tools to be used: advanced searching, annotating, blog, tweeting, tagging, commenting, and subscribing. And lastly, remembering, to recall facts, basic concepts, or retrieval of materials. Tools to be used are bookmarking, copying, googling, bullet pointing, highlighting, group networking, and searching.